Oh hey, I didn't see you there. My name's Olly Wilkins. When I'm riding my e-bike with friends, I like to use the Goodyear Newton tyres. The Goodyear Newton is a multi-condition high-performance tyre with superb braking traction and aggressive cornering bite.
From aggressive trail riding to downhill racing, the Newton delivers fast rolling performance, superb braking and fantastic cornering capabilities. Open concept, multi-sided ramp centre knobs reduce rolling resistance, while the tool and supported side knobs provide ample braking and cornering grip in all conditions.
Take one. Hi, I'm Olly Wilkins, and I run the Newton tyres on my e-bike. Come this way, I'm going to show you what's up. Now the centre knobs, they're ramped. They're super fast rolling. The side knobs, they're aggressive, so you can really rip turns. I mean, they're some of the best tyres I've ever had. They do offer more benefits, however, and those are the things I want to tell you about right now. Since I've had the tyres on my bike, I've noticed my hair's got thicker. I sleep better at night. I've even noticed my car goes faster now. Females are more attracted to me. I didn't see this coming. And my joints feel lubricated, and parts of my body that they've got bigger. Parts of my body have got bigger. Bigger. I've noticed a link with animals now. I can understand animals and animals can understand me. And like time morphs into just this long spirograph and I'm floating within it. And then I've got more followers since I've had these tyres. And I'm happier. And if I want to be sad, I'm sadder. So it's just like more, like bigger, more. Like my car was a little pickup and now it's a monster truck. I used to be boss-eyed and now look, they're dead straight, dude. Dead straight they are. They've self-corrected and my teeth are pure white. See?
One man, one desire. The Goodyear Newton ST up front and Newton on the back. Terms and conditions apply.
I think we're done, guys.